This is the Cobra free bar for a Kawasaki Cruiser. Dates range or year range between 2006 to 2016. Kawasaki Cruiser 900 Vulcan. Classic and non-classic. So this is what it comes with: the 2 hooks, 3 bolts. This is the instructions. Some people don't understand the instructions, so I made a quick video of how to do this. First thing you want to do is remove your horn and remove the 2 wires to your horn. Take out that bolt and put it off to the side. You're not going to reuse that bolt later, so just put it to the side. This is just a picture of my motorcycle without the bar. So this is what it looks like, and this is where you're going to connect those 2. Right here under the leg brace on the right side, and here's the one that you need to take apart or remove the bolt on the left side. Do not discard those bolts. You will reuse them, so I'm taking them off now on the left and right side. Real easy to do. This one was a little tight because I was trying to hold the phone with one hand and use the tool. So take both of those off. All right, put them off to the side, and I'm just gonna fit this in here. You can see how I'm fitting it in. The 2-piece up at the top kind of goes between the filter right there and the bottom. You see the filter for the left and right, it slides right in there. And then those holes are gonna line up right where you're taking those bolts off at. Too bad this company doesn't show a picture of this. They do, but it is, for someone who doesn't know how to do this, it'll be hard for them to understand. It took me about 15 minutes to do this because I do mechanical and electrical stuff, so it was easy for me. So I'm trying to make it easy for you guys to make it make sense. So on the right side, I just put the bolt in loosely. I'm not tightening anything up yet. I'm just gonna put the bolts in so it can hold it up, so it can stop flopping back and forth or flopping down. So I'm on the left side now. I'm putting this bolt in or lining it up. I usually don't tighten nothing down until I get all the bolts in. So this is what it's gonna do for now, and that's okay. Just showing you how easy it's going in between the filters or the filter. So now we're gonna get our hooks. That comes with its own hardware. I'm gonna show you how to mount that. So that hook kind of goes around there. That opening lines up with the hole, and you're gonna put your bolt in. And that's what it's gonna look like. So that's on the outside, and then you got your lock nut on the inside. Again, I just have everything loose. I just wanted to show you where everything lines up at. I won't start tightening things up until the end. So I'm going to the left side, and we're gonna do the same thing. Just gonna push that in there. And look at me, I'm being silly. Got the hook backwards. All right, so the hook is lining up and the hole is lined up, and that was it. So just showing you, we're about to mount this horn back in, or in place. So this is the bolt that this kit comes with. It has like a little spacer. So that spacer is just gonna go there, and then this longer bolt is gonna go here. Because without this long bolt and the spacer, it'd be hard to kind of put this horn back in. It still was a little bit difficult. I was about to take some washers and make it a little bit bigger, but it was borderline okay. So I got that in there after struggling. And I'm gonna go ahead and start snugging it up. It barely fit. It was like I don't know, it was tough. So if yours is a little off, just you could add a few more washers as spacers to give you a little bit more space. But this one's still loose, so I'd tighten it up, but I just didn't show you in the video. So okay, I'm about to start tightening everything else up. Hopefully this is common sense now. Tightening the bottoms, tighten the top.